Hey, welcome to yesterday's project. Today I have a 1975 Honda XL100. So initially, the tank's kind of beat up, got a few dents. The inside of the tank looks okay. The exhaust is gone, so I'll have to get an exhaust for it. The engine, when I kick it over, it seems to have compression. I'll probably have to clean out the fuel tank just a little bit. Tires are cracked. Here I've got somebody's replaced the fender with a plastic one. The headlight bucket is a little messed up. The turn signals is all bent up in here. Rear turn signals are bent up. Something hit back here. It fell, bent that up. Bent up the rear fender. In here the hub's in good shape. They always crack in here. There's bushings. These bushings go bad and crack. Rear shocks are okay. It's been ridden a lot. You can see the wear in here where somebody's foot would have been riding. I got the plastic cover for over here, and that's in decent shape. So overall, it's quite used. It's got 1,600 miles. So I'm gonna go through the process here of fixing and restoring a bunch of little parts on this. I'll probably try to pop out a few of the dents, just kind of clean it up and leave the paint original and just kind of go through a light mechanical restoration. So I'm gonna start by power washing this thing, cleaning it all up and seeing what I got going. And probably clean or order a new carburetor for it. Also, it's been laid down, the handlebar, somebody's welded or done something here. This is all bent up. I do have some parts. I have an extra set of handlebars, an exhaust, a few things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and see what I got going here.